So, okay.
It's like maybe 3 times as heavy as a Nevin's.
Oh, she's loaded!
She's loaded!
It's loaded! Kyle and Cameron's trap!
Yeah, I got it. Oh my god.
This is like monster trapping!
Look at the crab!
Oh, I gotta go through these really quick, don't I? Oh.
There's not even a single red one in here!
Yeah. Oh my god.
Say goodbye to your fingers, buddy.
Screw my life. All of you calm down. Most of you are probably just...
Devin, I want you to come over here. Look at the bait, guys. Just popping. Water's just alive with it. And Cameron fighting a fish, and now I've got a fish. Gotta go! There again. It's home. It's a lot of work, but sure worth it. So this is looking back into where we were launching last year. Back in there are the launches, the mountains. Big look out there. Should be able to see our prawn trap. Come around. Back in there is where I caught my big halibut. Come around and there's Gospel Island. And then if you go around that point, go around the point to the left, that would be Conehead. And then straight ahead after Gospel, that point would be Tartu. So yeah. Absolutely stunning. Finally got a break in the weather, and we're in camp because we're tired. Okay.
Well, we're out at Rennell Reef this morning. There's Conehead. There's Rennell Sound.
Fish on!
Bradley the Fish Slayer Harris. Devin the Fishing King.
You reeling it up, Devin? Good job. Devin had a bite.
Did he?
See that or he drug bottom.
And Kyle Madland, the skipper. And me. And Devin just had a bite.
He's reeling it all up.
He's bringing in, look at the size of that rod for a little 6-year-old. That's pretty amazing.
Get some shots of Rennell Reef there.
There's Rennell Reef. You can see the water breaking over top of the reef. Imagine that sunk a boat or two in its life.
He's reeling. You're almost up. I can see you on the fish finder.
Up around that point there is where the
took your bait, Devin.
I had a bite.
Tippa Lodge is, where people come from all over the world and pay thousands and thousands of dollars a day to be there.
Could have had it.
What?
Okay, what do you want to say there, dude?
This is my first halibut.
Halibut. What'd you catch him on?
A jig hook.
A big jig hook, eh?
A big jig hook.
Okay.